Hi folks, how you doing? I'm Ross Minton. This is Grow Your Own Life. Please like and subscribe. As always, that would be amazing. I'm desperately trying to grow the channel so it can become more of a part-time income for me and my family on our self-sufficient journey. And so any likes, any subscribes, any comments, greatly appreciated, because it pushes me up that YouTube algorithm and hopefully earns me a few more pennies. So let's use the rest of this egg carton, shall we? Again, we're going to use a plastic tray, and people will say, well, you shouldn't use plastic. No, you shouldn't use plastic if you can get away with it. But the thing is, this, kept in my greenhouse and only used to sow seed, this will probably last me a long time. This could outlive me. And by using that and popping that inside, it will make the job a little bit easier. You don't have to use the plastic if you don't want to, but what could happen is obviously it's cardboard, it gets wet, it disintegrates, it becomes awkward. It's up to you what you want to do. There's no right or wrong answer to this. You've got to decide, right? I like to put them in there, but you don't have to. So I tell you what, we'll do it just this once as it is. So we get the container. You can see there's a bit of a hole there. Again, you don't need to be fancy. Just let's cut us a bit of cardboard. There you go, the hole's gone. Perfect. Let's put some compost in, like so. And there we have a seed tray, a biodegradable seed tray. And these are lettuce. Now there'll be more lettuce probably in this than I need for this tiny tray. I don't know yet, it doesn't feel... Normally when you get lettuce seeds you get thousands. But this obviously was a free seed in a newspaper, so I imagine they've skimped a bit, have they? Yeah, they've skimped a bit. It's fine, it's fine. There's probably just enough for this tray actually. So I'm just going to spray... Oh, there you go. I just want to show you these lettuce seeds though, just to so you get the feel of what they look like. You see them? Pretty tiny, aren't they? They're like tiny little mouse droppings, and once you're in the compost you can't see them. Now again, a lot of people would say because those lettuce seeds are tiny, you need vermiculite, you need perlite, you need all sorts. No, just gently sprinkle a bit of compost on. Now something I like to do is this. Just gently move the soil about side to side and just mix it up, just ever so slightly, just mix it up a bit. And in my head, it makes me feel as if I've separated out the seeds. I probably haven't, but in my head I have. And a lot of things in life is to do with your perceptions. And I think I've done a good job, therefore I've done a good job. We're going to give it a water. And we just need a little label. Well, what you can do is the same as I do on my plastic pots, just write on the side. Here we go. I'm dyslexic, so I probably can't spell. L-E-T-T-U-I-C-E. I know what that says. Anyway, so there we have it. In no time at all, and with a load of old stuff, we've sown lettuce, beans, and tomatoes. Just give it a go. Just give it a go. Is this how professionals do it? No. But if you're a professional, you're not watching my videos, are you?